So, don't have to introduce this review. It's gonna be the fucking unboxing video. Don't know. Okay, right? It's because no, I don't need a new microphone. Oh, it's not really. It can't be called a new microphone because this is actually the first microphone I ever had. It's an Auna MIC-900. Okay, let's open this thing up. Hand review 2017. Okay, so we have a bunch of packing shit, as we can see right here. Holy moly. Okay, let me just get this out real quick. That's a fucking substantial amount of protection for this, and oh, that's pretty heavy. I suppose that's the microphone, and this is the boom arm. Okay, hang on. I need to get a knife to cut this open. Decided to use scissors instead, because it's gonna be easier. Okay, let's see how this goes one-handed. Hang on. I wanna have my voice. Especially my voice on here. Oh shit, no. Oh, never mind. What is it? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh, open this fucking shit up. Come on. Come. Get out. So I put this thing out of the box, and we got another bit of smoke. Actually, I think you can just. I can look at the camera all the time. Oh. What is this? This. Oh. Wait. Hang on a minute. I think I know what this is. Okay, okay, I have an idea what this is. Let me just get this shit out. Like, I can't really. I don't really have a stand or anything that I can put. So, I can confirm that the microphone is indeed in here. Oh wow, it's a black variant. It's a USB microphone, so I don't have to worry about any of that XLR stuff, because we don't really have that in here where I live. So yeah, I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna put this over here. Now we're gonna check out the other stuff. There's this bag, which is the oh shit, I forgot which one that is change. Okay, so this is the shock mount. I'm gonna open this up real quick for you. So boom, shock mount, sorry, is how it looks. It's pretty standard. I'm gonna put this next to the microphone now. I'm gonna open up the other box, which has the arm in it. And oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about two other things. Oh shit, sorry. Oh my god. Okay, so here is sort of, this is an adapter for the stand that goes over here. And here's this USB cable. So that's enough for that box. We're gonna get the other box now. So this is Malone. It's a Malone stand. I don't know the model number, but oh well. Here's some information. Gotta focus. There we go. Interesting. Now let's pull this thing out. Oh shit. Oh. Okay, so here we have a bit. Okay, that's that. I'm gonna put that over here. Might actually have to cut since I don't have enough space on it. Now here's for the arm itself. Oh shit, I got something else out as well. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Pretty standard microphone. Scissor arm. Oh shit, I'm gonna run out of fucking space on this thing. Okay. There. Nothing else is in the box. I don't think you can see in there. Nope. But we also have this thing. I think, yeah, this is an adapter, so this is a sort of adapter as well. Okay, I have run out of space. Great, so I'm gonna have to transfer shit now. Okay. Okay, so see you after this pause. And I should probably open this thing up. Yes, no more grain, please. Yeah, there's quite a lot of light over there. Anyways, I shall continue with this. Okay, so last off, I gotta open this. Hang on. Oh, what is that? There it goes. Okay. Okay, I should probably be more careful with this angle. So here it is. I quite like it. Hang on. Let me see how that works. Okay. I'm gonna of course start. Okay, this thing is going on the bed. Yo, shut the fuck up, Java. Yo, Java. Just the fuck up, computer, please. Okay, thanks for now. Let me just clean this up a bit. Yeah, that's called cleaning up. Okay, here is the adapter thingy. So this is the thing that goes on the actual table. You sort of put it down and then attach the boom arm to it, and there you got that. Actually, I'm gonna put this thing here because it's sort of more this way. I don't know. I'm just placing it in random places. I'm gonna check if I have what I have to unbox. So the only three things I have is this thing, which is that adapter I talked about before. Let me open up. So here we have this screw thing and the actual thing, the actual attachment itself. Okay. There's this, which is I talked about before. It's also an adapter thingy, I think, for attaching a microphone to the stand. So yeah, this is nothing special. Nothing special. Yes, I am wearing Crocs. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, nothing special. And we have this USB cable. Yeah. Oh, this is again nothing special. Just USB cable. Also, but the only thing special I can think about it is because this side you can put on is a bit different. But that's actually pretty expected because if you check the microphone, if you get the details, you can see that yeah, that's how it works. Okay, now I'm gonna set this thing up. Here is the finished thing. It's pretty fucking cool, isn't it? So you have stuff here. It's really freaking nice, if I'm gonna say so myself. Now this joystick is a bit in an awkward situation, but I can definitely do stuff how I want to. So without further ado, I'm gonna do some audio samples of this thing so you can hear how it sounds. So I have sort of put my microphone a bit below me, so I don't really sort of you don't hear the popping sounds that you would hear. I mean, if I had a pop filter, it'd be probably a bit better, but I don't think that's really worth it. I mean, it is worth it if you're gonna sort of put your microphone right up to your mouth, but you can just adjust your stand. Okay, hang on. Yeah, I can just adjust my stand like that, and yeah, the audio quality is pretty fucking nice. Sorry, I just went to my pyrotechnic voice. It's really good. It really is. I just freaking love how this thing sounds. They're just a studio quality microphone, so I'm not really that surprised. But I am surprised. Well, I am surprised by the quality. It's exceptional compared to what I had before. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I am editing the audio. So a bit, I'm amplifying it so you can hear me better, and it's sort of just the audio is pretty. It's pretty like I might have actually maxed out right there. It's pretty consistent with the volume. So yeah, also added some noise reduction so it doesn't mess around with that. But there seems to be no noise if you just put it out raw.